Get that out of me, familia. So I asked a few people what would be some good advice for you guys. A lot of people seem to like my going bald video. So then I thought, what would be another struggle video you guys might want? And while I contemplated making this a fashion video, I could just hear you all going,
"No, AJ, get what you want to talk about. Give us short guys some advice. What are we supposed to do?"
So, you're short. What's my advice to you? No one cares. That's it. That's the video. And with that, just kidding. Intro. So short guys. I'd be lying if I said being short wasn't an obstacle for many men out there. The unfortunate thing is height is not something we all have control over. What's even more unfortunate is that many of you use it as an excuse. You don't get to forego everything about self-improvement just because your parents didn't think about how tall you would be before they got together. To most women, anything under 5'9" is short. Me, I'm 5'7" and 5'8" on a good day, and every day's a good day. Truth be told, I was never really conscious about my height growing up. I don't know, call me weird. I just didn't obsess over it. I didn't become super aware of my height until one of my homegirls who I met at the gym a few years ago. Yes, she's just a friend. We were having a conversation and one of the first things she said to me was, "You're short." And she makes a point to remind me of that because apparently I have an ego. And despite the sparkling revelation about my height, it still didn't bother me. When it came to me approaching women, them being my height or taller never really discouraged me. Girl wasn't feeling me, I never thought it was just because I was short. That was probably the last thing on my mind. I never used it as an excuse. I just chucked it up to they weren't attracted to me. Now for said women, I'll never know if my height was an issue to them. My point is that it's not an issue with me. The truth in life is that taller men are just considered a little bit more attractive in general. A girl could be 4'11" to your 5'5", and she'll still prefer, I say again, prefer a taller man. Women like security. Tall men kind of give off that vibe. Now if you're a shorter guy, I hope you can tell where this is going. Looks do matter. And luckily for you, a lot of it can be helped. So for any of you manlets out there that are also hypersensitive about your looks, work on your appearance. In other words, pick a struggle. Now are there short men out there with highly desirable women? Now of course there are. But why? Of course, he could be financially well off. But isn't that too easy of an answer? So many of you guys will just throw your hands up in the air and blame it on
"Women just want money."
I've obviously preached you all to find a skill that you can monetize, follow your passion, go back to school, and so on and so forth. Those are things that take time and might call for you to take some time off from dating so that you can focus. But you guys want girls now. You don't want to hear all that deep skin cutting real talk that I always give you today. Well, too bad. Here's some more. Let's backtrack to picking a struggle. That physique of yours is definitely something that you can help. And I don't want to hear nothing about no damn thyroid. You want to look better or not? You can't be short and super skinny, looking like her damn little brother, or short and overweight, you look like her purse. Don't refuse to put any effort into your physique, and then complain that a lot of women aren't at least physically attracted to you. Because I've told you before, if you don't excel in at least money, status, or looks, then you need 2 or 3 of those things to kind of balance out. Also, improve your style. Unless you're just extremely overweight, she's going to notice your clothes before she notices your physique. Baggy clothes are out the window. I've always stressed the importance of getting your clothes tailored. As a shorter man, when it comes to pants, your pants can't be too long or too short. Too much in either direction will make you look shorter. Having some sophistication with your outfit choices, whether they be street, casual, or dapper, will go such a long way, gents. Now, am I here to tell you that taller men don't have to do any of these things either? Of course not. You just might have to do it a little bit more than they do. Stop acting as if being tall would fix all of your problems. I promise you that guys over 6 feet tall get cheated on too. So how about the way that you carry yourself? It doesn't hurt to have a sense of humor no matter what height you are. You can be funny, just don't be damn goofy. You really have to find a level that doesn't make her see you as her goofy little friend. But you want to know what works for me, right? The people who know me and the women that I talk to will say that my sense of humor is pretty mean. Here's the catch. They laugh at it anyway. I say things that they know damn well are funny. Oftentimes, I just offer tough love at your expense, and above all, my entertainment. But I do know when to turn it on and turn it off. Most of the time. Really, I just maintain a masculine frame, which is extremely important when you're on the shorter side. It's just the confidence and the energy that I give off. And don't always use humor as a filler because you don't know how to carry on a conversation. You're no different than the guy who calls her beautiful after every sentence. Remember what I told you guys about the cold approach? Well, a lot of you guys are gonna have to pull up your pants and put yourselves out there. As I said before, a lot of women will have height preferences. I suggest you carry yourself like, but you haven't met me yet. And it certainly will carry you if women already have high interest. But you will still need to do all the things that I mentioned to appeal to the hypergamy of the women that you like. This is just a thing that simply is. Don't be mad at it, accept it already. Keep working on you and focus on your passions. As you continue to do that, the right things will attract to you. and continue to operate in an abundance mindset. If you're single and out there dating, don't focus on one woman. There's nothing wrong with having options if you're not looking for a commitment. Don't let your height be a reflection of your mindset or your attitude. Short guys like to act like the world is against them because they're short. I'm not the tallest guy, but I also don't give a damn. And neither should you, but you don't have to listen to me, porque I'm your lifestyle guru, not your daddy. And with that, damas y caballeros, if you enjoyed today's video, then don't be rude. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Get involved in the comments and drop some more topics that you guys would like to see me cover. Go out there, be great, be high value. Until the next time. Oh, so y'all still ain't subscribed? Y'all rude as hell.